Hi, now we are going to discuss about map, filter and reduce functions. So we need to know lambda function to understand all these three. I have already recorded a video for the lambda function and the link is given in the description. So kindly have a look at the lambda functions if you have not done already. I'll just start with the lambda function with one line introductions. So the lambda function is an anonymous function or it's a one line function. How do you create a lambda function is, for example, if I want to use the lambda function for performing multiplication of two numbers, so this is the input colon, the right side of the input is the expression that will be returned automatically. So since we want to multiply two number, I have given like this. Let's say m is equal to this. And if I pass a number, I'll get them multiplied and I will get the result printed like this. So now we'll start with the map function. What is map function is, if map function is a function which takes one function comma the values as a input. The collections of value along with the function if I pass, you know how does it run? Look at this image guys. Here I am passing function and the values a, b, c, d, e, f and all. So what happens if I pass into the map function will map each and every value to the function individually. One by one, it will be called, the function will be called for each and every value one by one. That is how map function works. Now, let's write a one map function. Map, it need a function. Let's write a lambda function. Say it takes a number and what it does, I'm just squaring all of them. And I need to pass the sequence of values. Let's create one list. Range of 1, 11 I put. Now, if I pass that list to here, what happens? The numbers will have 1 to 10. First it will pass 1, 1 will get squared. Then 2, 2 will get squared. This function will be called for each and every value I have in the numbers. So I am going to get multiple value. So I am just converting as a list and print. Otherwise it will print only the object. When I convert it as a list and print, I see every value got squared and I got the answer 1 to 100. So the map function takes function comma the arguments. Argument is nothing but 1 to 10 I have created. So when I call this function for each and every value, this function will be executed for each and every value individually. That is what the map function does. And let's look at the filter function. What is the filter function is? Filter is nothing but it is going to filter something, right? I am going to apply some condition. Whichever the record pass through that condition, that will become the output. Any record that is not pass through the output, that will not be the output. So that is about the filter function. Now let's look at the example. I am just showing the image. So here what happened, I am just giving the functions and the values. It gives only few values, not all the values, because when I apply the conditions, only few record that is passing the condition, those are coming as output, other records are not in my output. Now let's write one sample things. Let's say filter. One condition I'm just applying. Condition is a function, let's say x, each and every value. I'm saying x modular by 2. And let's use the same numbers. So what does it mean by x modular by 2? X modular by 2 is equal to 1 means that is true, only I will get that value, or else you can put like this also. So here, whichever the number is odd number, only those will become output, because for even number, x modular by 2 becomes 0. So that will not be true. So this condition is true only for the odd number. So I will get only the odd number. Let's convert as a list because we are going to get more than one element and print it. See 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if I want all the even number, what I need to do? One small changes in the condition. This condition I am saying that x modular by 2 0. Whichever number that passes this condition, I want that to be an output. So I got the even number. So like any conditions you want to apply on sequence of value, we go for the filter case. The last one we want to discuss about the reducer function. How the reduce function works. Let's show in the image. So here I'm just giving a function and the values. What happen is, first this function will be called with two numbers, two values. First, a and b will be given as an input to the function, and it will perform the operation on both a and b, and it will give the result. Along with that result, the c will go. That result will become the first argument and c will be the second argument, and it perform the operation and result will come. Along with that result, the result will become the first argument and d will be the second argument. Then it gives one result, right? Along with that result, e will be the next element. Like that, it will continuously bring the next value from the list of value I have until it reaches the last element. Finally, I will get single value. That's what first function of a and b will be performed, and along with the result, function of a and b comma c will perform. Like continuously it will go, guys. So now let's write it. Reduce is not available as a standalone function like lambda or map or filter. We have to import from functools. From functools, import reduce. So now I can use reduce since I imported. It has a function. Let's say lambda. I'm getting two numbers because initially it takes two numbers, right? X comma y. Say I'm performing x star y on numbers. What happened? First two number 1 and 2 will come. It will get multiplied. The result is 2. 2 will become x. The next value from my list is 3, right? 3 will come. 2 into 3, 6. 6 will become x. The next value in my input is 3. 6 into 3, 18. Like this it will go. Finally I get the result, the final result, whatever it is. So this is how the lambda function and map function and filter function works, and reduce function. So let me know if it is clear, or if you have any queries, you can post me in the comment box. I will respond to you guys. So thank you all.